and don't want to pay for extra storage? Good news! There are several legit ways to free up and even get more space completely for free. Let's get started. First, why does this happen? Google gives you 15 gigabytes of free storage shared across Google Photos, Gmail, and Google Drive. Once it's full, your backups stop. But you don't need to spend money, you just need to clean things up smartly. First, use Google's built-in storage tool. Open Google Photos, tap your profile, then go to Manage Storage or Free Up Space. This removes photos already backed up from your device and frees space instantly without deleting anything from the cloud. Next, delete useless files. Search for screenshots, blurry photos, and duplicates. These take up a lot of space but aren't important. Delete them, then go to Trash and empty it, because files still count until you clear it. Now, switch to Storage Saver mode. Go to Settings, tap Backup, and change the quality to Storage Saver. This compresses your photos and saves a lot of space. You can also compress existing photos to recover storage instantly. Also, clean up Gmail and Google Drive. In Gmail, search for large emails and delete the ones you don't need. In Google Drive, sort files by size and remove big files. Don't forget to empty the trash in both. Another smart option, use Amazon Photos. If you have Amazon Prime, you get unlimited photo storage for free. You can back up your photos there and save your Google storage. Finally, check for free storage bonuses. Go to your Google account and complete the security checkup. Sometimes Google rewards users with extra storage, so it's worth trying. And that's it. Free up space, delete junk, compress photos, clean Gmail and Drive, use Amazon Photos, and check for bonuses. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Running out of space on Google